Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x divided by 3 is equals to square root of x, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here we first find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are satisfied this equation and which of the roots are extraneous roots. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. Now we move towards our first method, and in the first method here we move this 3 to the right hand side, and it will becomes x is equals to 3 times of square root of x. So here we use the squaring technique to find the roots of this equation. So for this we need to apply a square on both of the sides. So after taking square, it will be written as x square is equals to 3 times square root of x and its whole square. So after that, here we apply the square separately on both of these values, and it will be written as 3 square multiplied by square root of x and its whole square. And in the next step we have this is x square is equals to this is 3 square, and 3 square becomes 9, and this 2 and this square root are gone, and we will get here x only. So in the next step we move this 9x into the left hand side, and it will be written as x square minus 9x is equals to 0. So you see here both of these terms involve x, so that we take common x from here, and when you will take common x we get x minus 9 is equals to 0. And now we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equal to 0, and the second case is we write x minus 9 is equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we get x is equals to plus 9, and this is the second root of the given equation. So here we get both of the roots of the given equation in first method, and now here in the next steps we need to verify that is both of these roots are satisfied our given question statement or not. So for verification of the roots we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is x divided by 3 is equals to square root of x. So this is our given question statement, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to 9. So here you see that when we put x is equals to 0 on both of the sides of this equation, it will be written as this is x is equals to 0. When we put it here, it will becomes 0 divided by 3 is equals to square root of 0, and we know that 0 divided by 3 becomes 0, and square root of 0 is also equals to 0. So this shows that the value of x is equals to 0 is satisfied over this given question statement. So this is a solution of the given question. And x is equals to 9, so we put this x is equals to 9 on both of the sides of this equation, and it will be written as 9 divided by 3 is equals to square root of 9. And you see here we need to cancel these terms. We get 3 3s and 9, so we have 3 is equals to this is square root of 9, and square root of 9 is equals to 3. So this is this shows that both of the sides are also equal. It means that the second value of x is equals to 9 is satisfied our given question statement. So in the first method our final conclusion is that the solution set is 0 and 9. This is the solution set which we get here from first method. So now we move towards our second method, and in second method here first we copy down given question statement here, and the given question statement is x divided by 3 is equals to square root of x. This is the our question statement, and here in the second method I can give you another technique to find the roots of this equation. So for this here you know about that if we have a only, we write this a as in the form of square root of a into square root of a. Okay, so when you put according to this rule, we write this x as into the square root form, and it will becomes square root of x multiplied by square root of x divided by 3 is equals to square root of x. So here after this step we move this 3 to the right hand side, and we move this square root of x to the left hand side. Okay, so after replacing these two values or interchanging these two values, it will be written as square root of x multiplied by square root of x divided by, when we move this value here, it will become square root of x is equals to 3. And further in the next step, you see here this square root of x is cancelled out by this square root of x, and we will get here square root of x is equals to 3. So because here our target is to find the values of x, so for this we need to remove this square root sign, and for this we will take squaring on both of the sides. So when we will take squaring on both of the sides, it will be written as this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get x is equals to, this is 3 square, and 3 square is equals to 9. So in the second method we will get here just only one value of x. In the first method we will already verify this value of x, and we see that this value of x is satisfied our given question statement. So here our final conclusion about second method is that we have only one solution in this question. And now here I can give you the difference between solution and extraneous root. So the roots which does not satisfy our given question statement is called the extraneous roots, and the roots which is satisfied our given question statement is called the solution of the given equation. But here unfortunately we cannot get any extraneous roots. We have in the second method we have only one solution, and in the first method we have two solutions of the given equation. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.